The market wisdom, Union Budget 2026 bombshell, higher securities transaction tax, STT, on FANO trades, rattles market sentiment. Our call of the day, volatility with wild swings to rule Dalal Street after the government hiked STT on FANO while keeping LTCG unchanged. STT hikes. Futures 0.05% from 0.02%. Options premium 0.15% from 0.10%. Options exercise 0.15% from 0.125%. Well, the move has already rattled trader sentiment and could hit FANO volumes. Now, here are key budget macro takeaways. 1. Fiscal deficit target 4.3% of GDP for FY27 versus 4.4% in FY26. 2. Capex 12.2 lakh rupees crore for FY27, up 11.5% YoY. 3. Government bets on infra-led growth to drive jobs and economic momentum. Structural growth themes, AI, tech and manufacturing. Sitharaman signaled a strong push to make AI and high-tech core pillars of India's medium-term growth. Focus sectors. 1. Rare earths. 2. Data centers and cloud. 3. Biopharma. 4. Semiconductors. Big policy boosts. 1. Tax holiday till 2047 for global cloud firms using Indian data centers. 2. Biopharma Shakti, 10,000 rupee CR outlay over 5 years to build a global biologics hub. 3. ISM 2.0, push for full-stack Indian semiconductor IP and supply chains. 4. Electronics manufacturing scheme outlay raised to 40,000 rupee CR. How the markets are likely to pan out. Near-term, volatile, nervous, trader-friendly. Medium-term, strong structural tailwinds for AI, semis, data centers, defense tech, biopharma, and infra. The biggest thing to watch, persistent FII selling. FIIs had net sold 41,434 crore rupees in January 2026 so far. Bottom line, short-term pain from STT shock. Long-term bullish on India's tech-led growth story. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 588 crores while DII were net sellers to the tune of Rs 683 crores. Sentiments are likely to be negative for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. FANO February month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 15.10 levels. At last check, USD INR, February, has spiked near the 92.04 levels. Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.06 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 0.85. Nifty outlook, weak Friday's lead from Wall Street could spark a sell-off at Dalal Street too. Caution is again the buzzword. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 4825. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 24,571 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,121 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,600 and 25,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 80723. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 79,900 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 82,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 79,500 to 81,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 58417. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 57,783 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,401 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,500 and 59,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Positive. Stock market news. As we start a new week of trading, the theme at Dalal Street revolves around three catalysts. 1. President Donald Trump's pick to replace Jerome Powell as Fed chair. Kevin Warsh to succeed Fed Chair Powell when his term expires in May, pending Senate approval. 2. A sharp sell-off in precious metals. 3. Union Budget 2026 bombshell, higher securities transaction tax, STT, on FANO trades, rattles market sentiment. On the technical front, Nifty is now way below its 21-day to 5613, 50-day, 25,851 the 100-day DMA at 25,626 and the 200 DMA to 5209 moving averages. Stocks in spotlight. Here are Q3 FY26 corporate earnings to trickle in this Monday, 2nd February 2026. UPL, Hyundai Motors, Indus Towers, PB Fintech.